Tracking commissions can be a time-consuming job for a service company. In Smart Service, we've made it extremely Tracking commissions can be a time-consuming job for a service company. In Smart Service, we've made it extremely simple. Let me show you how it works. First, from the home screen here, we're going to jump over to the Users tab, and this is kind of where we set up our commission defaults. I'm going to jump into James Myers here, and look at his commission tab. If James sells a job, my default commission for sales is going to be 5%, and if he actually does work, my default commission for him is going to be 10%. Let's take a look at Steve. Go over to Steve's commission tab, and if Steve sells a job, his default commission rate is 18%, and if he actually does the work, his commission percentage is 15%. So now let's actually go and take a look at a job and add some commission on a job. So I'm going to jump into the Contacts tab here. I'm going to go down to my jobs, and I'm going to pull up the second job here for contract services. If I go over to my Job Items tab, you can see I've got 3 QuickBooks line items here, and they all total $721.15 worth of work. And I've scheduled this job as a reoccurring weekly job. So we're going to do this job every week on a Monday, and here's my schedule on the far right-hand side for the entire year. Now, as far as commission, I'm going to jump over to my commission tab here. I don't have any commission in there yet, so I'm going to simply say Add Commission, and all of my employees that I have commission set up for are going to jump right into here. And by the way, if you're using subcontractors in Smart Service and actually scheduling subcontractors, you can have commissions set up for those as well. In this example, I have them just set up for my employees. So James is going to actually do the work. So I'm going to double-click on James here. And every time James does this job, I'm going to pay him 10% commission, which is $172.12. Since Steve sold the job, I'm going to click on Steve's sales commission here at 18%, but I don't want to pay Steve 18% every time the job gets completed. So for sales standpoint, I'm only going to pay sales commission on this job one time, so I'm going to check the one-time option over here. And since Jeff was the lead generator on this job, I'm going to pay him sales commission as well, and it's going to be one time since it's sales commission. But in this example, instead of paying him 18%, I'm going to pay him $50 for the actual lead that he generated that turned into a sale. So all I need to do is just type in $50 here, and it back figures the percentage commission for me. So to kind of recap, in this example, Jeff was the lead generator on this job, so I'm giving him $50 for the job. Steve is the person that actually sold the job, so I'm giving Steve 18% of the job, which is $309.81. And both of these are one time, so they're only going to get commission on it once. And then my job is a reoccurring job every week on a Monday. James is going to be doing the actual production on it, so every time he does this job, he's going to get 10% commission, which is $172.12. Commission tracking in Smart Service is extremely easy. You're going to love it.